just got off the phone with Honda. Closest Honda to me is probably like 4 minutes away, which is good. And they do have this part in stock. It's the distributor O-ring because I'm I'm leaking out of it. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick right now. On the Acura Parts Warehouse, the website, they have it for $2 right now, but the shipping is like $10. So I called Honda and they have it for $4. I was gonna get it off of Amazon, $6 free shipping. I decided to call Honda. They have it for $4, so I'm gonna go right now pick it up. Alright, I just got the part. After taxes and everything was what was it, 5 something, 502. Now let's go. I'm probably not gonna put this on today. I'll put it on a different day. Alright, so today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this bolt into the breather chamber. So bolt from the breather chamber, it's like down there by the transmission. I think it's like next to the the oil filter. And then I also bought the O-ring, as you saw earlier, because I am leaking. Let's see if I can focus. You can see some right there. You can see it leaking down a little bit. I think that's let's see, you can see right there under the distributor, it's all leaking. So maybe I'll do that today. I'm not sure though, because I'm not feeling too good. I might probably just do this for today. Alright, so we're in the car right now. The oil pan's right here, all leaky everywhere. Oh man, too much leaks. So there's the breather chamber right there. So that's the bolt I'm replacing right there. I'm gonna wait till the car cools down because I just drove it a little bit. So I'm gonna wait till it cools down. Alright, so this is what was in there. In the breather chamber, which is a different size, I heard. My cousin told me it's a different size. And then this is the original right here. This one right here. It's the difference right there. I don't know, this one says 10, but these are 14s. I'm using a 14 to do this. And this says 88, but yeah, it's a difference right here. The original is the one that was in there. Different sizes. Alright, so the old one's out now, which is this one right here is the old one. And now the new one's in. It's right there. And that's it for today. Just a quick little fix.